In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to unlock the transfer market in Ultimate Team EAFC 26. Here's what you need to know. You'll need to complete a set of objectives first. Head into Ultimate Team, open the Objectives tab and go to Foundation section. There you will find the Part 2 Pro objectives. To unlock the market, you'll need to complete everything listed under that group, starting with objectives like New Beginnings, Venturing Out and other that follow. You can also read the description of each objective. It clearly mentions that completing them grants access to the transfer market if it's currently locked on your account. Now here's the tricky part. There seems to be a bug with the Part 2 Pro objective, especially one called Diving In. Some players have completed all tasks but the game doesn't register them properly. In my case, the transfer market unlocked right away, but for many players, this glitch is causing issues. Unfortunately, there is no real fix at the moment. We'll likely have to wait for EA to release a patch or update to sort this out. So for now, make sure you have completed all the objectives under Part 2 Pro. If the market still doesn't unlock, it's best to wait until EA resolves the problem. That's all for this one. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.